My Mom by Anonymous. My mom is very special. My mom is very kind. My mom always tells me I am special. She is always on my mind. My mom watches me grow. My mom watches me cry. Of course, she will always know. My mom will always hug and kiss. My mom will always care. My dish she will never miss, 'cause I am her little teddy bear. My mom is very special. My mom is very kind. My mom always tells me I am special. She is always on my mind. I Want to Be Like You by Joanna Fudge. Thank you, teacher, for being my life's role model. When I consider all you've taught me and reflect on the kind of person you are, I want to be like you. Smart, interesting, and engaging. Positive, confident, yet unpretentious. I want to be like you. Well-informed and easy to understand. Thinking with your heart as well as your head. Gently nudging us to do our best. With sensitivity and insight. I want to be like you. Giving your time, energy, and talent to answer the brightest possible future for each of us. Thank you, teacher, for giving me a goal to shoot for. I want to be like you.